Hi guys, this tutorial is all about how to create products in the system. Products are what you select when you create a brand new schedule, or if you want to quote or invoice somebody, you have to select products as your line items. So you can have as many products as you like, and you can have a few different price books as well. And here's how you do it. I'm in classic view at the moment. I'll move over to Lightning Experience afterwards. Click on the plus. And you're going to go down to products. From here, if you click go next to where it says all products, you can see a list of everything in the system. So I got 1,447 products in the system. To add a new one, you just click add, and then you can give the product a name, give it a product code, cost price, some notes, nominal codes if you're integrating with some of our finance systems. And make sure you tick the active box or it won't be available. You can give the product particular access, so if you wanted to only let the admin team select that product, you can. If you want to give it to your risk assessors or whatever profiles you've got set up, you can then select them when you're creating your product. When it comes down to the quick create, you could say this product's only available when I create a job, only when I create a contract, or only when I create a call out. And when it comes to the survey side, is it available in pest control or bird control? So you can set all these up and then hit save. If you wanted to add a price, and bear in mind it'll only appear when you do your quick create if you've got a price attached to it, you have to click save and add price. What that does is give you a little prompt to say what the price is, and you could keep it as 0, but it's still a price. You have to put something in there, and you can always override these as well, and then click save. That's my product and that's my price. If I wanted to add it to more price books, I could click add to price book and select all the price books that I've got in my system. Then I can give them different prices. If I wanted to set up a brand new price book, I click on my plus and I go to the price books. I can then say I'm going to create a brand new price book. I can clone all the items from a previous price book. And then when I'm ready, I can hit active, and then that will then allow it to be selected in my client screens, my quotes, my schedules. That's it basically. So creating a product, creating a price book. If you did click create a product and you totally forgot to add it to a price book and you're wondering why it's not appearing in your schedule list or your quotes and invoices drop downs, then just one, make sure it's active. And 2, make sure you've added it to a price book. Everything must have a standard price. So if I was to take this out, it'll say I can't do it because it's attached to price books. If I just go back, create a brand new product, and I don't click save and add price, it will then not be available for any schedule or invoice or quote that I create. Even if I clicked active and save, it still won't be available. You just have to remember to go down, add a price, and then if you want it to appear on every single customer in every single price book, add it to a price book. If I'm in Lightning Experience, then I can either use my setup and then go into my products, or I could just click on the grid over in the top left hand side, follow the same process as our classic version. So create new, type in the name of the product, make sure it's active, fill in all the details that you would like, and then what I would do is click on my related list add a standard price. And then I can then add that to my price box. And so on. So that's how you do it in Lightning. And you can do it in Classic, like I said before. If you wanted to switch between the two, you click up here, switch, click there, switch back. Any problems, questions, contact our support team or send us an email to support@servicetracker.uk.com. Thanks a lot.